Here are SurfPrep's Blizzard Film line of abrasives. Created for applications where the operator desires superior edge wear life from the disc or sheet. Featuring proprietary blended aluminum oxide grains built for high performance and a consistent surface finish. These discs and sheets are durable polyester film backing that withstands extreme pressure. They're resin bonded with the anti-clog white sacrificial stearate. The grit range is P80 through P400. Our film sheets come in 3x4, non-vacuum, and 6-hole for vacuum sanding. Our 5-inch Blizzard film discs come in non-vacuum or a multitude of different hole patterns to fit on different brand sanders. Our 6-inch discs come non-vacuum or multi-hole, just like our 5-inch discs. We also carry our Blizzard film abrasives to fit 3-inch sanders, 3-inch by 8-inch sanders, or our 3-inch by 7-inch sanders.